Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue. This app cannot run on PC. To find a version on PC, check with the software publisher. How do you resolve this, guys? You always make sure that you have in the system variables, you have variable called Java home, your variable value as JDK25. Okay, and also you have to make sure that you have given the path as this Java home percentage Java underscore home percentage slash bin. So this is the first way to create a path of Java. Then what you do, so navigate to the Eclipse page and try to download this x8664. Okay, that's a Windows since it's a Windows machine. Once you have done that, guys, try to extract it. Once you extract, it will come like this. So once you have extracted, the Eclipse will come like this. Double click on this application. The error is resolved. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.